major risks of illicit trade is number one, revenue collection. We are a revenue organization, and illicit trade steals from the revenue base. And it doesn't only steal from the revenue base insofar as customs and excise taxes is concerned, but actually the full length of the SARS tax base. The second area which is also a major risk is the fact that it actually closes down companies, and that means that people are losing their jobs and their livelihood, and that actually leads to some other forms of criminality, etc. I spoke about the fact that it actually cuts across the tax base. This obviously means that when people lose their jobs, that from personal income tax perspective and company income tax perspective, when these companies close down, it's actually a loss to SARS and to the whole of South Africa, because those monies are extremely necessary to have the basic services in place that also supports the poor and the needy for that matter. The third area of risk is that many of the products that comes in through illicit trade actually has a particular impact on health. That they are not suitable from a health perspective for use by South Africans for that matter. They are substandard products, and they are not approved by instances such as the NRCS for that matter, and therefore they put further strain on the health system of South Africa. The last part which I will kind of focus on is the fact that it leads to criminality. When we talk about illicit trade and we talk about industries such as illicit trade in tobacco and cigarettes, or illicit trade in clothing and textiles and things like that, we're not talking about petty crime, we are talking about big time syndication, and these activities in many ways also sponsors further criminal activities such as terrorism, human trafficking and other forms of syndicated crime.